So again, this is your Dr. Arul, your Medical Director at Surgtest, and now we have completed the huge task of finishing the NEET SS, and now it's time to take a little rest, and I know that it's been a couple of days, and right now I think we have to start again for a bigger race, that is INISS, and the whole pattern for NEET SS and INISS is completely different, and here we'll be focusing more on the specialty subjects. So for NEET SS we had Harrison based notes, like T&D by Harrison, and also we had specialist notes and also bank that was made. INISS is something that we specialize, and we are the pioneers in INISS preparation. We have so many materials that have been genuinely made by all the INISS and NEET SS toppers to give you the best of all the important things, and that too in a very short time. We have concise notes on neurology, nephrology and cardiology that will help you to understand and also help you to revise the whole subjects and specialty based subjects which are based on Bradley for neurology, Free-Halley for nephro and Brown-Walls for cardiology. These notes and also the question bank specially made by toppers for specialty subjects will help you and also guide you in revising all the topics in a short span of time. This is something that we have taken time to do and also to bring to you the best of the best. We have rave reviews from all the toppers that have previously used it and given a very good feedback. For more details and assistance, you can contact the WhatsApp helpline that is pinned to a Surgtest page. And if any doubt regarding coupon or anything, you can message me at any time. So this is your Dr. Arul signing off. Bye.